Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Edu Smart. So today I'm back with another video on Accenture's onboarding process. So in this video, I'll be talking about Accenture's mock assessment update. So once you have got your coding contest update, later you will be getting mock assessment update. So in this mail, you will be given a schedule of 3 mock assessments along with the date and the pattern as well as how to give the test. Now I will be talking about everything, each and every step in detail. So first of all, if you ask me whether it is mandatory to give this assessment or not, I repeat, it is not at all mandatory to give this assessment. These 3 assessments are not mandatory. Even I did not give these 3 mock assessments, but still I got a joining letter and my joining was also scheduled. So it is not at all mandatory to give these 3 mock assessments. But if you really wanted to join Accenture and if you wanted to crack the TFA, the fundamental assessment, you should definitely give this test or mock assessment so that you will be able to prepare for that. You will be preparing yourself for the fundamental assessment. So it will help you enrich your skills. So I definitely recommend you to give this mock assessments, but it is not at all mandatory. If you have some other works and very important, I recommend you go with them. But if you have the time, then definitely give this mock assessments. No, so the dates will be different for different batches, but for particular batch there will be 3 dates. So on a particular for a particular batch, they have to give the mock assessments in a particular schedule of time, and for the particular batch, for the same batch, each and every one the schedule is same. Okay, this is for my batch. This is my schedule. For me, this was the schedule. For the upcoming batches, the schedule will be different. Okay, now how to give this mock assessment? In order to give this mock assessment, you have to first log into your dashboard. Right, you can check out your dashboard like this. Right, here you can see your dashboard, and here if you see, this is a mock 3 slot 3, this is mock 2 slot 3, this is mock 3 slot 3. So there are slots again in this mock assessments. So my slot was slot 3. So this is my mock 2 test link, this is mock 3 test link and mock 3 test link. Separate test link for hands-on as well as MCQ. This is quiz and this is hands-on. This is just hands-on. Like this, you will be getting on your dashboard on particular dates. Once your your mock assessment is scheduled, then you will be able to see on your dashboard. So herein I can see my dashboard. If I click on this, then that will redirect me onto this assessment page in where I can give the assessment. That is how you will be able to give the assessment. So this is not mentioned in the email particularly, but you have to understand this. So what will be the mock assessment pattern? If you see the MCQ, you will have 2 components in our mock assessment, one being a multiple choice questions assessment and the other one being hands-on. So in the MCQ, you will be given 50 questions and you will be given a time of 80 minutes. And for the hands-on, you will be given 2 codes along with 70 minutes. So within 70 minutes, you have to complete these 2 codes. The outcome of MCQ assessment will be based on the correctness of the answer, and the outcome of hands-on assessment will be based on multiple parameters that were used during coding contests that you had taken on the pre-onboard learning platform. Hands-on assessment does not have only binary outcome. It has appropriate points to check your code quality, coding ability, and extent to which your coding has been appropriate, based on which your code will be evaluated. How should I take the assessments? So basically they are telling you about the norms, like you should not copy or you should not use your mobile phones or whatever they are telling. So if you ask me whether these 3 mock assessments are proctored or not, these mock assessments are not proctored. These are simple any like mock assessments. And this, apart from these 3 mock assessments, there will be another mock assessment, but that is mandatory. You have to give that compulsory mock assessment. That is another mock assessment. After this, you will be getting before your TFA, like before 10 days or so, you will get another mock assessment schedule that is compulsory. That is compulsory, as well as there is a human proctor for that. We'll talk about it in the upcoming emails and all. You need not worry about that. So as of now, this is the mock assessment update for you guys. That there will be slots, there will be dates. Again, you need to log into your dashboard and you need to give these 3 items. So if you have any other questions, you can feel free to ask in the comment section below. And I recommend you to join my Telegram as well as LinkedIn. You can follow. You can give me a request on LinkedIn, as well as you can also follow me on my Instagram, and you can ask all your queries there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another video very soon.